So in my previous video, I talked about taking long-term puts on SPY. I really hope somebody took my advice and listened to me because the market is tanking. So let's take a look at the chart real quick and then I will go into a quick recap on my trade for today. This is just going to be a short, quick video. I just want to touch up upon what's happening in the broad market. So as you can see here, SPY has reached a high of 526 and we've never seen that number ever again. That's it. It's just dropped every single day, every single week. We've had significant drops in the market and now we're sitting at currently 494, but we had a low already of 492. This is huge, guys. If this happens consecutively for another week or two, we might be entering a bear market. So let's see what happens. In any case, I do want to go over my trade for today that I made $350 on the day. So going over to the 5-minute chart, we can look at what SPY did today. So as you can see here, basically what happened was SPY was dropping a lot the previous day, right? So if I zoom out a little bit, you can see we dropped a whole lot. We chopped around after we hit a low, and then the pre-market we came up and then we chopped around and then we dropped it open. Once we hit the 500 level, I decided I wanted to enter calls, but I also wanted to be careful since we've been dropping so hard. I didn't want to risk it. So I waited until we came up and we retested around the pre-market high levels. I'm like, okay, there's a chance that we could break out. So I decided to enter calls here. This is my entry at 10, I think it was 10:20 a.m. or 10:25 a.m. So I entered here, and as you can see, we came up, and at about 10:45 a.m. I called an exit, and we ended up exiting the position fully for 25%. So this was a very large position in terms of size, and I ended up making close to $400 around there, maybe like $390. So that was pretty good, and I called this out in the Discord group, as you can see right there on the screen. So the next trade, we reached the top, and then we came back down, and we were coming to the 9 EMA as well as the 200 EMA. So I'm like, okay, you know what? If we're gonna bounce today, we have a good chance of bouncing right here. So I decided to signal another entry, and I called that out in the Discord group as well, as you can see right here on the screen. And I kept a tight stop loss. I also made this a very small trade, so if we lost on it, we wouldn't be giving back the profit that we made earlier. So what happened? The market came down, we hit our stop loss, and we exited. So I lost about $30 on this trade. So compared to almost making 400 and then losing maybe about $30, it's not a big deal. So I was up about 350 closing the day after transaction fees, and that's a solid trading day, right? And then the market just continued to drop even further. So maybe we could have taken puts here at the top. Hindsight's obviously 2020, but I was very happy with the trading day that transpired today, so I didn't want to force anything or risk anything. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to go over the trading recap and why I took my entries, where I set my stop losses, and how we ended up performing on the day. So if you have any interest in trading with me, please check out the Discord group and give this video a thumbs up for more content like this, especially if you want to learn more how to trade and how to find better entries and strategies for your trading style. So I'm happy to talk about the broad market in a future video and what I think is going to happen next, but please go watch my previous videos where I covered the broad market and where I think we're headed to in a couple of months. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.